Hello children, good morning. I think all of you are in class 4. Yes. In which year you are born? This is 2023. That means you might have born in 2014. Is it not? 2014. So how do you become an adult? How are you when you were born? You are very small. How were your parents when they were born? They were very, very small. They were born to your grandparents. Slowly they become babies like you. Adults got married and given birth to you. Again you. So life will be repeating like this in a cycle. Do you have hens in your house? Do you know how small chicks are produced? What do your hen do? Your hen will lay eggs. And it will sit on the eggs and give warmth to the eggs. Slowly in the egg, a chick develops and it comes out. The chick again will be turning to a hen. So, hen to egg, egg to chick, chick again to hen. So, like this, life is like a cycle. In this lesson, we see how life is like a cycle. We understand how babies are produced, how animals reproduce, how do they give birth to young ones. If we do not give birth to young ones, what happens? If there is no reproduction, no human beings, no more man, no more tigers, it will stop there. The life on the earth stops. So we need reproduction. And we see how do different animals give birth to their young ones. Are you ready to see? Here I gathered very interesting videos for you. Very exciting videos. Are you ready to see? Yes? Great. Great. Let us see how do different animals give birth. Is the process similar in all or different in some? Okay children, this is the overview of lesson. See here in this prep, what is this image? What is the picture? What is the picture? This is a turtle. Turtle is the oldest animal. Do you know when there were turtles on earth? 250 million years. Longer than other four-legged animals. There are different types of turtles. There are different types of men and women. There are different types of turtles. Do you know there are different types of dogs? Pomeranian, German Shepherd. Do you know? Yes, there are different types of dogs. Similarly, there are different types of turtles. This turtle is olive ridley turtle. What is the name of this turtle? Olive. Spelling? O-L-I-V-E. Olive ridley turtle. It lives in warm tropical seas. Do you know which is a tropical region, kids? The region on either side of the equator is called as tropical region. These turtles, they live in the seas which are present in tropical region, and this turtle is omnivorous. It eats both plants and animals. Do you know what is an omnivore? The animal which eats both plants and animals is called as omnivore. What are you, kid? If you are a purely vegetarian, you are called as a herbivore. If you are purely non-vegetarian, you are called as carnivore. I eat both plants and animals, so I am an omnivore. What are you? Deer is a herbivore because it eats only plants. Cow is a herbivore. Tiger is a carnivore. Dog is an omnivore. It eats rice, it eats meat. Do you understand? Similarly, this turtle is an omnivore. It eats animals like crabs, jellyfish, and it also eats sea plants. It eats snails. It eats some sea animals, and it also eats sea plants. So what is the name of this turtle, kids? Olive Ridley turtle. Where does it live? In warm seas. Okay? It lives in warm seas. This turtle, it comes to the shore and it lays eggs. And the eggs slowly are hatched to small turtles. These small turtles, again they go to sea. See, let us see an olive ridley turtle. See, it is digging a hole on the shore. The turtle వచ్చి shore మీద. See, how is it digging a hole? ఎందుకు hole తవ్వుతుంది? Because if it lay eggs outside, we will eat away the eggs. See, that turtle is laying eggs into that hole. See, yes, these are eggs. Now, do you know what the turtle do after laying eggs? It cover the eggs with soil. See now, yes, see the birds are there. They may eat away the eggs. So the turtle is cautious. It closes the hole. See how it is closing? How wonderful it is. Like this our mummies protect us. Turtle ఎంత జాగ్రత్తగా గుడ్లు దాస్తుంది అట్లాగే మన మదర్స్ ఎంత జాగ్రత్తగా పెంచుతారు మనని. So we have to listen to our moms. You should never say no. Okay, children. Now it is covering the hole. After that, see, the eggs are hatched into young ones slowly coming out of the mud. Yes, the little turtles are coming out of the mud. గుడ్లు లోపల పెట్టింది కదా, అది తవ్వుకొని మళ్ళా మనకి ఏమొచ్చేస్తున్నాయి, లిటిల్ టర్టిల్స్. స్లోలీ దిస్ లిటిల్ టర్టిల్ is going into the water. So many little turtles coming out of the hole. Now children, see the turtles slowly going into the sea. What happens if they are outside? See, if they are outside, many predators may eat them. So if we see young turtles out of the sea, we shouldn't crush them. Again, we should send them to sea. Okay, children? See the small ones, now they entered the water. This is how new turtles are again added to water. But unfortunately, nowadays, these olive ridley turtles, though they are very careful, the species is disappearing. There are only 7 species of sea turtles, but the species, they are declining. Could you guess the reasons? See, what are we throwing if you go to beach? We eat something, and where do we throw the plastic wrappers? The wrappers and all we throw into the sea. If the turtle eats the plastic, the turtles will die. Some people, they catch the turtles in nets and they cut and eat them. And sometimes people will take their eggs to prepare omelets. Unnecessarily they break. See, these people, they caught olive ridley turtle into the net. So if it comes outside, it will die. So you should help them again sending into the water. See here, it is eating plastic. You should not throw plastic bags here and there. If animals eat, the sea animals, they will die. You can help. How do you help? Don't throw plastic into water. See here, humans are taking. In that egg there is a baby turtle. We should not take the eggs. See. So, if we take the eggs, the number of olive ridley turtles are coming down, declining. So, what are the reasons? Human beings, they catch the turtles. We are throwing plastic bags. Turtles are eating the plastic bags and they die. We are taking away the eggs. Sometimes small turtles got attracted to the lights on the beach and they are coming out of the water. And sometimes they may be stamping. That means we will just crush them under our feet, knowingly or unknowingly. So the little ones die. Do you help the turtles? How do you help? Don't throw plastic bags. If you see any small turtles out of water, help them again leaving the water. Don't spoil turtle eggs. Okay, children. See the activity here. What will happen to sea turtles if not enough eggs hatch? Eggs anni pillala avvakapothe what will happen to sea turtle? Good. No baby turtles are formed. The number of sea turtles will decline, decrease. Spelling? Decline. The number of sea turtles will decline. What happens? You should write in a sentence. The sea turtles, see, start here. The sea turtles, if not, or the eggs of the sea turtle are not hatched, if the eggs of the sea turtles are not hatched, no young ones are formed. So slowly the number of turtles will decrease. Okay, children? See the second one. What can humans do to protect adult sea turtle? Any three answers you can give. Come on, tell. What should you do? Should not throw. Humans should not throw plastic into the sea water. Okay? Tell one more reason. Yes. Don't catch turtles as food. Don't catch, because the number is declining. Our next generations, if you can see a turtle, but your children cannot see a turtle because the number is decreasing. So don't catch turtles. And don't use eggs of turtle for cooking. And then next, if you see baby turtles out, what should you help? You should help them putting in water again. You should put them into water again. Okay, children? Now, what can we do to protect sea turtle eggs? We should not use the eggs for cooking purpose. You write your own. If you have any other idea, you write. Okay? What can we do to help the hatchings make it to the sea? How do you help? You write the answer there. Okay, children? Now, so all types, not only the turtle. Dog will give rise to puppies, cats will give birth to kittens. All living organisms reproduce to continue their existence. See, our great grandfathers were not there. They died. But we are on the land to continue the family. మన తాతలు ముత్తాతలు చచ్చిపోయిన ఫ్యామిలీలో మనం అందరం ఉన్నాం కదా. అలాగే the living things, all living things reproduce. All living things reproduce to continue. Okay, children. Though our great grandparents are not alive, still we are continuing the family. Existence of the family. మనం ఎలా అయితే మన పూర్వీకులు లేకపోయినా మనము మన ఫ్యామిలీని కంటిన్యూ చేస్తున్నామో, all type of living organisms also reproduce. They give birth to their young ones to make their existence on the earth. So shall we learn about the reproduction in different animals? How do young ones come to this world? Are you ready to learn? Young ones come to this world by a process called as reproduction. Reproduction. Reproduction is the process by which living things produce young ones of their own kind. We give birth only to human beings. Dogs give birth only to dogs. Cats give birth only to cats. So what is reproduction? Living things produce. Once again, living things produce young ones of their own kind. Reproduction is a process of, or in which, reproduction is a process in which living things produce young ones of their own kind. Do you know what the young ones are called as? It's offspring. It's offspring. Puppy is the offspring of dog. Piglet is the offspring of pig. Okay, children? With this, I end the lesson today. See the first question time blank, children. The process by which all organisms produce young ones of their kind is known as, is it digestion, respiration, reproduction, or excretion? Do you know the answer? Then pick the right answer today. Okay, children. See the first fill in the blank, kids. The process by which. Okay, this is not taught to you. Okay, let us leave this. This letter we will answer. Okay, so one blank you can answer today. Okay, children, I stop the lesson here. Let us continue the second part in tomorrow's class.